A lot of people ask me, like, what the heck is going on with the China market? Like, this thing is insane. We've probably hit, probably history. We ever really done something like this? I'm looking at the daily chart for BABA. I know China companies can pump more and they can dump more too on the inverse. So just because they can pump doesn't mean they can't go down fast too. I've seen this happen a lot. Like as you can see, look at BABA here. When it hits this lower band here, just because it hits it right away doesn't mean we want to see a clear pierce with China companies. And as you can see, massive move up. And every time this happens, look at these big moves ups that BABA goes. Well, we're playing the flip side of the coin. We want to be bearish. I don't want to buy it when price is way above the upper band. Every time it hits the lower band, BABA has made massive gains. Your calls would make massive money. Look at this, 5% up in one day from this low here. You can look like this little move from the lows to the highs. You're up 12%. It's awesome. And then if you have options, you're making way more. So I'm just trying to look, have we ever went above this high on the daily candle? I'm looking at the HR4. We have a little pierce right here and it comes tumbling down. Obviously, this is different circumstances. We have the stimulus check or the stimulus pump in the China markets, but I think it's a band-aid. I think it's a temporary thing. A lot of people are getting in on this hype. I don't blame you. Ride it till it dies, right? But just don't get caught into this and be stubborn and be like, keep adding every dip because this thing is going to be a big rug pull, right? So this is BABA. We went up 2% today. As you can see, why I like this so much, we did not hit the EMA 5 here. 105.69. We went to a low of 106.15. That's awesome for us because this is primed. This is prime time for puts. As you can see, we want to wait about 7 daily candles at least, not touching the EMA 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did take BABA on this candle and on this candle here, and it actually dumped pretty big. I made a lot of money. I did wear off. I didn't buy it yet on this because I am actually in an ETF. If you're in my Discord, you know which one I'm going to buy. I like to be very strict with options. So as I'm seeing right in here, we're clearly above, and we have to me it looks like a blow off top. And then when you look at the weekly candle, look at this. You have some indecision on the weekly candle too. It's not really much moving on here. I think we are definitely due for a big move down. Yes, it can it can always go up some more. We don't know the exact top that this is going to go down, but we can use these indicators and kind of see, okay, this thing is due for a move down. We can kind of get a nice little entry here. The KDJ is 92.51. That is pretty high, so do keep that in mind. You won't see the KDJ very often above 90. But the main thesis for me that I don't think it's going to come crashing down, but I do say a correction. And like I said, if you're doing options, this is a big gain. Just to the EMA 5 is a 7% move down. That's if it does not go under it. Let's say if it goes to the EMA 10, it could very well do that, and that is 11%. EMA 20 is a 17% move down. All right, so I do think this thing is due. We have the daily and we have the weekly confirmation. Obviously, we haven't touched the EMA 5. That is your first target. I would, how I like to do it, I like to buy a month out. So I tell people the ones I'm looking at is 8 November expiration. Just because if it goes against me, I don't want to be like, if I buy a weekly, I'm kind of screwed because it'll probably go up and then it'll come tumbling down, but my option will be, worthless because of theta hurting me, and then any kind of little move against me kills me. So I firmly believe in going a month out. This is a little more than a month. It's like a month and a week, 8 November. So it gives me that extra expiration. I personally like to go one in the money. So I'm looking at this 116 strike. If you have a little bit of extra money, you'll be paying $800 a contract. It's not too bad. And if you scale in properly, you will make good money. So, and then I'm looking at the IV. IV is a little high, 50%, but it's not like crazy high. So I'm looking at this. So I firmly believe, yes, you could try to buy calls. You could try to keep tracing this up. But like one of these times, you're going to get a candle like this. As you can see, way up to 112, and it lost $6, in a heartbeat, and then it could keep going down. So you could have got stuck holding this thing, and then luckily, we had this next day candle to help the bulls out. So like I said, I am bearish on BABA. I don't think it's just going to come crashing down. It very well could. I've seen these patterns do that, but my first target is the EMA 5, second target is the 10. I'm not even going to worry about the 20. I think that could take some time. But the main thesis is I am bearish due to this system, and I showed you back tests of the chart. Like, the daily candle has very rarely ever maintained above this. Very rarely has it ever done. Obviously, news is going to be kind of different. The China market is booming, so I expect it, and that's why I wanted to wait 7 daily candles. Made money. I made 40% on puts on this candle here. Not in yet. I'm looking to get in tomorrow, October 3rd. So I'm glad I waited it out because I'm already in an ETF that is bearish on the China market. So I want to make sure I don't want to just be in two at the same moment. So once this goes up a little, then I'll buy puts too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my analysis. Will China keep going up? That is the big question everyone's trying to ask. Should we just keep buying calls and just this to infinity and beyond, or should we come back to reality and be like, maybe this is a trap? And that's the kind of reality I'm into. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, hit the go to the YouTube comments below. I'll pin a link that says join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you join, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you'll have to use your phone's browser or your computer. Avoid scammers. I'll never message you, DM you first, or trade your accounts. Also read the testimonies how a lot of people have changed their lives. For example, this guy only had $300 and he's up 500, over half his account in 1 month doing day trading strategy. And I'm going to discuss that here. If you hit server shop here on the top left, and you can see my products, highly recommend day trading. What I discuss is swing trading on BABA, doing puts, and it could take a longer time. It could take a week, it could take a day, it could take 2 weeks. You don't know. But we do know you stick to the process, and as long as you accumulate properly, you're going to be fine in swing trading. Day trading is my highest value service. It makes me money every day, guaranteed. You're not guaranteed everything, but I'm always making money, right? Whereas swing trading, you're not guaranteed that. Hence the term swing trading. Day Swing Trading Plus, only $12 a month. You get access to all my memberships, swing trading, day trading, communities of day trading, swing trade chat, or my RTK journal, my day trading education, where I just posted another video. You guys can check that out. Swing trading education, and no worries, this video right here will get your chart to look like mine. So if you guys enjoyed this video, this is a brief analysis on BABA. I'm looking to buy puts. It's October 2nd. I love to see a candle way above here. I do think this is due for a rally move down. I mean, look at that weekly candle. That's insane. I don't see that much. All right, guys, take care. Hope to see you guys in the Discord, and let's make some money. Peace out.